What an update. So Squarespace has just rolled out saved sections, and this has been an absolute game changer for me and for hundreds of other designers that I know. So being able to save a section now means that you don't have to just duplicate a page that you've already built, take out the sections you don't want, and then essentially build a completely new page in the image of the duplicated page. What you can do now is pick sections that you like specifically and then duplicate that across to whatever page you want, no matter where that is on the site. And what this allows us to do is create simple templates, especially for designers. When we have clients that want to then create lots of different pages but include similar templated sections, instead of them having to duplicate entire pages and things potentially getting a bit messy, all they have to do is click Save Sections and paste that template onto the new page. I might not be doing the best job in explaining it, so what I'm going to do is show you exactly how it works, what it entails, and how to use it on your site. So this is my blog lifestyle mastery template. I have a course where I teach people how to design their ideal lifestyle by utilizing a blog, and that blog is built on Squarespace. I offer everyone in the course this template, so I'm going to use this as an example. If we expand this page and we scroll down, you can see it's got various elements to it. Now let's say we want the latest post and we want this on another page. So if we go into edit and we click save section, you can see that it says added to my saved sections. So if we click view, you can actually see that that is saved in there. If we close this down and just for example, we add some more in like so, and then what we do is we view our saved sections, you can see they're actually all in there. If we shut this down and then click done, and let's say I have various pages on here. Let's say we go to the blog page, and here we have all of our blogs and a filter, etc. So if I go into edit and I want to put the latest blog here, so if we add a section, we go to my saved sections. Obviously it's marked as new because at the time of recording this video it's new. We can then put that in, so we just click and add it in. We click save, and when we expand you can see that we've got latest post and then the rest of our blog here. Now let's say underneath this we want to put like a gallery, so we've already saved that gallery section. If we go into edit, we can add another section, my saved sections, and then we can actually paste that gallery. So we don't have to go through the rigmarole of recreating a gallery, because if we wanted to recreate this, right, we'd go add section, then we'd go to gallery, and then we'd have to select gallery. It wouldn't be the same styling, so we'd have to go into edit section, we'd have to make it a reel, then we'd have to do all the overflow controls, etc. And then we'd still have to add in all the images. So we have to go into edit gallery, we'd have to delete all of these, we'd have to hit the plus icon, search our current crop of images, and then add them in like so, which could take, up to 5-10 minutes. Whereas with our saved section, all we do is add section, my saved sections, add a gallery. What did that take? 5 seconds? So this is such a handy tool that is going to cut down on development time of all sites on Squarespace. So once you're happy, let's say we take this out, and then we take this out and we think, okay, this looks perfect. We're going to save this. We're going to double check, okay, this looks good. And then let's say, does it look good on mobile? Okay, it's looking good. Great, I'm happy. So what I can then do is duplicate that across my site. I can create various templates that are ready to go if I want to scale up the site, if I want to build it out, if I need to duplicate my sections and basically create a theme throughout the site. I don't have to go back and build things from scratch. I can just scale at pace, and I'm not held back in any way by my ability to build sections from scratch. We can just copy and paste. And so that is how you can utilize saved sections to your advantage and really take your Squarespace site to the next level.